Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, I will take you with me to Galleria Luisa Mall. And we will check out the first day of the 4-day plant expo, which is brought to us by Bohol Plants, Flowers, and Herbal for Sale and Trading. It is an expo for a cause, so we are expecting to see a lot of people, so do not forget to wear your mask, wear your face shield, and it's best to bring your own alcohol with you. Let's not forget to observe social distancing at all times. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, then let's begin. So hello, good morning Tagbilaran City. So dito tayo dadaan sa BQ Mall. Gagawin natin tong shortcut all the way to Galleria Luisa Mall, which is at the back. And for those of you who can't make it today, you don't have to worry. They'll be there up until the 25th day of this month. I just really can't miss the opening day because for me, an early bird catches the worm. So let's get into it. Oh, expected. Okay, so dito tayo dadaan tayong grocery, and then to the exit at the Galleria Street. So, ayan, Galleria Luisa na. Okay, so we're heading upstairs, and as expected, nakapila yung mga tao. Sobrang dami ng mga tao ngayon, guys. Kasi nga first day, and the decorations are brought to us by Bohol Balloons. So, ayan yung number and the address as well. They will let people in by batch, and you have to fill out a form in which you will state your name and from where you are. I believe it's also including the contact number. My husband listed my name for me because I was late and he came in first, so I had to wait for my turn. I have to wait here. Big thanks to my mask kasi hindi nakakayang magsalita kasi may mask ako. Nakakaya kayang magsalita kapag may mga tao. And there is a lady there facilitating those people who want to get in, and in no time I will be there as well. So let's start here at the last booth. So tingnan nyo, he has a lot of succulents. And okay, the price is good. Look at the price. They're not so expensive, but they're all beautiful. So tingnan nyo, some are in fiber pots. I believe they're fiber pots. And okay, so according to the campaign tarpaulin, let's take a look at this. This is the Bohol Plant Expo, where we have at least 15 participating shops today. So, marami talaga tayong makikita ngayon. And there's no need to worry, guys. I'll surely put the link down below just in case you're interested to order. So, this first booth is from Desserts Pond from Cansibao, Valencia, Bohol. Don't worry, I will show the tarpaulin later. So, ayan, sobrang dami ng mga plants nila. Okay, they also have spider plants as well. The aerial plants. So, ayan, sobrang gaganda. And if you like to have some, you may contact them.
Na may Facebook page.
Naa.
Okay na i-link down sa vlog sa ubos.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, desert.
Kaning Desserts Pond. Thank you, sir.
So Mr. Deserts Pond is so accommodating, and he still answered my question even if it's so busy. There are so many people inquiring about his plans, and now Miss, I think this is a police.
Sir, more on succulents mo, sir? More on succulents mo, eh?
More on succulents, agave, adenyo.
So do not hesitate to message Deserts Pond from Cansibao, Valencia, Bohol. And this stunning one here is a Ficus robusta from Plant Pro Bohol. Oh, ayan, sobrang ganda. This is the second booth from Deserts Pond, and they also have this fiddle leaf fig, I think. And most of their plants are in fiber pots, or most of them. They also have this Japanese white tiger elbow monstera. And please do not touch the leaves, is what they say. And that's right, guys. You can appreciate the plant's beauty without touching it. My God, my heart is really popping out. And most of those that are having card like this is from Plant Pro Bohol. And as much as I'd love to name them all, pasensya, hindi ko po kilala lahat.
Shop name ni na dire?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, they are so accommodating even if they're busy. And wow, this is the Jose Bono. Oh my God, sobrang ganda niya. This is really my very first time to see this in person. Although I'm seeing it in Facebook and all over the internet, this is really the first time. And the name of the shop is Rue de Plant. Oh my God. The name is in French, so sobrang yaman niya, guys. This shop is crowded with plants that are so rare and a little bit pricey, but totally worth the price. Sobrang gaganda, guys. And the next one, having a gold-plated plant stand. Sobrang ganda. It's a variegated alocasia. Well, I'm not sure if this is from this shop, but this is super beautiful. For those who would like to be Miss Chinky Pacquiao, come here and buy that. And this next shop here is also crowded with philodendrons. She also has a cardboard with her. And they are all beautiful. Look at that.
Hey, Mama Kramen, ano nga planter ay kanang butangan nag for sale po na. Ako lang. I-link lang na po sa imong page, Mama. Thank you.
And if you also love those macrame for your hanging plants, guys, please don't hesitate to message Garden of Eden. And that's from Total Landawis to Bohol. So we are both from the Disneyland. So I believe she's the owner of this shop.
Ma'am, kari na i-search sa Facebook. Sige, thank you. Garden of Eden. Alright.
There is indeed a lot of people here. And they are reminding everyone to maintain and observe social distancing at all times. I believe they're letting 20 people in per batch. In the midst of the hype, they do not forget to remind people about the social distancing that must be observed at all times.
Diba, so, i-search lang na, mora na mo gawa. Asa mo located, ma'am?
Pero mix lang ba tayo nga? Tako na niya mo, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Naidawi, sa bayan, pagkitaw yun eh, sa kuan sa Pilaran.
Sige, hi, ma'am.
Layo kayo, asa tayo lang mga?
I-link lang na po, ma'am, ha? Thank you.
And those smiling ladies are from AVELOSOME Blossom, and they have their giants here. Don't forget to check out their Facebook at the link down below.
Tingnan na ni ma'am.
Wala ba kaayo kailangan iya gitawag lang niya rubber leaf.
Rubber leaf. Okay.
Mananong na kaila.
Tag-iya dyan ang makaila. So, rubber leaf. Mo ba yung version?
So guys, if you happen to know the plant, please don't hesitate to comment that down below. I also have that type of plant, but I have no idea what's the name. Wala lang, inaalagaan ko pa rin kahit hindi ko kilala. So this is from Jewelline. Let's check her plants as well. Oh my God, she has the caladium. She also have that huge wave of love there. And this one is the Imperial Red, or they used to call it Red Emerald. I don't know which is which. And they're all from Bohol Happy Pots. So, ayan. Happy Pets indeed, because they have those colorful pots. And if you'd like to check them on Facebook, please don't forget to click the link down below. I will put the link at the description box. They will be here up until the 25th, or I think until the supplies last. But I don't think basta-basta mauubusan to mga ganito. Palaban to mga ganito kasi nga sumabak sa Expo eh. So maraming stocks to. They're having varieties of caladiums, aglaonema, and dumpkins as well. Marami pa dito. You may check them out. Or you may come here before the 25th or up until the 25th kung may maiiwan pa para sa'yo. Oh, they're having a lot here. They also have calatheas. And they also have crotons and this beautiful aglaonema here. Sobrang dami. So we're here on the next shop. So ayan, marami din siyang mga plants, guys. In a plant stand, look at that. I'm not sure if those plant stands are for sale.
Box ko sa Facebook. RINETTE'S box sa Facebook. Thank you, ma'am, ha?
So she's RINETTE'S box in Facebook. However, she's RINETTE'S Green Alley here. Well, I think she's in collaboration with some people. I'm not sure though. But you may check her out on Facebook and on the link down below. Right here, you will also see a variegated alocasia, and this is for 1,200. It also has a good pot. She's also having various philodendrons here. She has this philodendron imperial green, which is also beautiful. She has this philodendron tiger tooth and also the tricolor. And I'm just happy that they're accommodating even if they're busy. As what I've told you, they still answer your inquiries. So you may check them out as well. So now we're down to the last shop in this row. They're actually located at the very first shop. So they are the very first shop that you will see. But I started at the bottom, which is beside the stage. This is the very first booth that you will see, and the name is Nifty Interiors and Creations. So they really have beautiful pots in here with beautiful designs. I'm not sure how to describe the design, but they are super cute and they are trendy. And this is also the woven basket where you can put your plant when you decide to put them indoors. I will also link their Facebook down below. Please go ahead and check them. So we'll transfer to the right side of the area. This is the Moymoy plant organizers.
Video, ma'am. Thank you.
They have a lot of beautiful pots here. I'm not sure if they're fiber pots, but they're all beautiful. They are perfect for your succulents, and they also have a bicycle type of plant stand where you can put a lot of pots. They have a flyer because they customize the designs, and they also have a lot of samples available here today.
Pwede ni link sa Facebook sa vlog, ma'am. Mo ninyong kan.
And if you are into something rare, you can buy this variegated money tree available at Urban Jungle, Bohol.
Ako, Janelle. Ha? Asa inyong
And since this vlog is going to be quite long, I'm going to make a part 2 of it in which we will be filming all of the plants and all of the shops in this side.
Ha? Arogat dali. Pila to na? Pila.
Oh, gwapo pa dyan ang gabay.
So some of the finest men in the industry are here.
Visit Urban Jungle.
Visit Urban Jungle at the alley. The alley?
The alley
J. Clarin. J. Clarin Street. Right.
These fine men here are my cousins, and this vlog has been quite long, so I'll just have to cut it here, and we'll be right back with Urban Jungle on part 2 of this vlog. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. This has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA Bohol. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!